Materium Pellet Extruder can do point 0.4 nozzle. Although it's capable of that, something bad really happens. A chip flew out during printing and stopped extrusion. Apparently, it was part of the nozzle that got blocked by some debris, and the extruder puts out so much pressure that apparently it broke the nozzle, blows it apart. And I checked whether it was the material, and probably dust got into it. So I gotta redo the whole thing. I changed the nozzle on the Materium and use a point 0.6 nozzle instead, because it's probably safer if debris got there so that it can pass through. The usual nozzle used is E3D V6, and we see that it's gonna work well with these settings. I use Prusia slicer, zero point 0.6 nozzle, 0.2 layer height, and so on. And we see here, maybe it's quite not visible, but you can see that the retractions and the bridgings are working really well. I've never seen any other pellet extruder do this, and this is the result. And as you can see, it's quite impressive. Um, oh, sorry. Okay, I'm just gonna take out the supports in a minute. This is quite a daunting job because how pure PLA behaves. We're being spoiled with PLA plus filaments that aren't really PLA. And as you can see, the outer layers and the layerings work really good. Although there are support marks, this print is already very impressive for a pellet extruder.